Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel YorkshireLad&LassOutdoors. I'm Sam and there's Steve.
Yep.
So we're out in the Lake District for a few days and we've come to Eskdale area. It's a lovely day and it's a lovely area. We've not been round this area before, so we thought we'd have a bit of a expedition and exploring. And also we know that there's some waterfalls up here and some lovely wild swimming dips, so that's what we're off to go find and hopefully have a dip as well. So see you in a bit. Yeah, so like I say, we're here for a few days in Lake District, car camping. Didn't tell you that, did I, what we was doing? Yeah, we're car camping. Yeah, so we've got some nice food. We're going to make homemade pizzas, one at night, so we've got some cheeseburgers, is it?
Yeah, cheeseburgers, yeah. Yeah,
cheeseburgers and some nice puddings. We don't know what we're doing tomorrow as yet. We might go looking for some more wild swimming spots in Wasdale, but we're not too sure yet. But yeah, so it's going to be a good weekend, isn't it?
Well, if it stays dry.
Yeah, I've got a drone as well, so I'm going to get that up and have a go with that. What else have we got? Upgrades for car?
I'll tell you, I can't remember.
Mattresses?
Yeah, to XU80, so
yeah.
We've got a new step, haven't we? We might be changing it next week anyway.
Yeah.
We've got a couple of tubs, but we've got to put all wet clothes in, which we'll show you anyway.
Yeah. And the boat that you've made.
Yeah, yeah.
He's made a boat for our cameras, so that should be fun. We'll show you anyway when we get to water.
We've either named it the Yorkshire Road or Firewood.
Yeah, depending how it sinks or floats.
Yeah.
So yeah. Beautiful area. Yeah.
Melting.
So this looks like a nice place to stop. Oh, it looks very clear. I'm surprised there's nobody here actually. There's a few people walking about, but well, that looks nice. Looks nice, doesn't it, Steve? Hey?
How deep that is it?
Yeah, I reckon it's quite deep. It looks it, doesn't it, from here?
I don't know.
Careful. Yeah. Yeah, definitely, yeah. Maybe have to have a swim into it first. Why, what are you thinking?
Nothing good. I'll get wet, I reckon.
Yeah, that's true. Time to get wet. What temperature is it, Steve?
Well, it's 14.1 now. When
Yeah.
you water it, it was 14.
14.
It's rising now. You know.
It's like over double now what we was doing a few months ago.
It is, well, less than 5, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Not going to warmer.
No, I don't think it will to start with. I think it'll still be a pretty cold shock moment. Only the good thing, we might be able to spend a little bit more time in water, maybe.
I think the boat will sink or float.
I don't know.
I think it'll tip. Let me show the viewers then. On top, it's got a GoPro on the top. On the bottom, it's got a cheap 8 man, and this bit of metal, it's no caravan bracket, and that's just for a keel, so it doesn't capsize. Got an hole on here, bit of string on it, and a floaty thing, so you can see where it is. So we'll see if it floats or sinks.
Don't forget your flag.
Get my flag now.
This is my toweling robe that I'm wearing from Seashell again. I got this gifted to me, so got nice wide sleeves. Can use it as a changing robe, you see, when I get out. Lovely and warm, keeps you really warm. If you'd like to look at their website, I'll leave a link in the comments. There's also at the moment a 10% discount on anything that you buy from their website as well. Yeah, they've got some nice stuff. They've got all kind of outdoor swimming stuff. They've got the changing robes, these toweling ones, and then they've got the big thicker ones for winter, more for cold weather really. But these are nice and warm though. These would keep you warm in all weathers as well. Oh, he's on his way back now with his flag. That's Steve's Seashell toweling robe. You've got one as well, haven't you?
What's that?
The Seashell toweling robe. That's
I
the
like them, mate.
black one.
I like them.
Yeah, they're good, yeah.
Quite warm, it's a bit breezy, quite warm and quite packable.
Yeah, they are warm, yeah.
And you can do a bit of wading without getting you wet and all.
Yeah.
All time will tell, I'll be there. If I go somewhere, fix in.
That's good, that, doesn't it?
What how good it is. For a minute or two. Might put all the
Is
garbage.
it patented?
What?
Patented.
Painted, did it?
Not painted, patented.
Oh. Couple and all, actually. Do you have a glove?
Yeah, I've got it. These are Steve's flipper gloves. They're helping
I like
swim.
them, they're good.
Yeah. Speedo.
That's all paid for. That's all paid for.
Oh God.
It's cold, are they?
It is.
Well, if it floats, 10 cameras on every person.
They're on now recording.
Are they?
Yeah.
You got a float, I'll go the shite. Cold. Cold. Cool, it's nice that is. You don't talk to me.
10 minutes. So that's it, we've had our little swim. Nice, wasn't it?
Yeah, nice, yeah.
It's a lovely bit of water that is. Definitely recommend it for a nice little swim.
14 degrees, but that initial minute did feel like cold.
Yeah, it was.
But once you get used to it, it did feel warm, and once you get dried, it did feel a lot warmer.
Yeah, it did, yeah. As soon as you get out, like if it's winter time, if it's cold, as soon as you get out you're like, oh, it's freezing, you can't wait to get dry. But like when you got out then it was like, oh, that's nice.
I mean, my people went in boat floating, not capsizing or turning upside down.
Yeah, it worked well, that little boat. It's just so like when I'm, well, either one of us, when we're swimming, you can't always hold the camera and swim at the same time.
And a lot of things with
you can't swim with one hand.
And a lot of things with you, if they've capsized or upturned or not being very buoyant. But putting the camera on bottom and top, hopefully that should work supersonic. Yeah. If it's a crap camera, like Sam was saying, we'll just upgrade it to a GoPro if we can afford it. Yeah. But if we can't, what's it matter?
Yeah,
so road and find the camping spot now.
Yeah, that's where we was, over there. So yeah, that's what we're going to go do now. So if we could find a good car camping spot for the night and cook up some nice tea.
That's some banoffee pie, is it? Banoffee?
Oh yeah. That was our surprise.
Oh, surprise.
Banoffee pie. We like to have a nice little treat, don't we, when we're car camping? We do. So we've got packed up for the night. Some nice views. I'm just cooking some burgers. I've kept the lid on so it's sticking out everywhere. Cheeseburgers. She's having 5 minutes, aren't you?
I'm calling her.
There we are. We've got tea cooked. Something nice and simple and easy. Cheeseburgers, can't go wrong. Nice, easy van life meal. Would you agree?
Can't life here.
Yeah, car life.
Not quite bad yet, is it?
No. Some nice burger relish. Perfect.
A bit of benefit pie afterwards.
Yeah. Looks nice, that does.
It looks like, shall we? Oh, for it should have defrosted. Oh yeah, has it?
Oh yeah. Can't wait for that.
Look at that. Got my name all of it.
Pudding.
Got my name all of it, that has.
Yeah. Tea time. With some nice views, look at that. Perfect. Bloody hell, I hope you've got enough.
Say when.
Looks nice, Stephen. Thank you.
Right.
Just some chocolate sprinkles now.
That's a bit noisy for you GoPro.
Come to this side. Can't believe how quick that is. It used to take us ages, didn't it, in winter, using that little one.
And it didn't get any harder, did it?
No.
It didn't get any, the magnet pull was harder.
No.
One more thing. These here, these posts here, pegs here, we changed them. Put one out, maybe. Get one out of the car.
Yeah, Mia.
This is what we used to use, a tent peg, but they're lightweight, they're good for camping and stuff, but no good for hard ground. So we got an awning spike, so you can break them with hammer a lot easier, it's like bending them. So we had some old ones at the shed, about 20 old ones, so we just took 10 with us, 10 of them with us for spare, and we went and these out. I think last time we used them somewhere, I think some were nearly bending, the ground being that hard, but them went and these out. I mean, you can bend them on hard ground, they're not just a lot more stronger than them.
Yeah. But it's not that windy anyway, but you don't know, at night it might come windy, might it? You never know.
Yeah, you got to anchor it down, you're more in the wind, it's holding a pull. Let's come here, Sam. This is our roof box.
New step as well. What an audience.
Our roof box. See these here? They're an off-cut, watered.
Oh, water barrel. Caravan water bottle. Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, caravan butt, is it? Water butt.
Yeah, water. Yeah, well, doesn't matter, it's just a water butt. Just something tops off her. We put our wet clothes in, we use them to put we wear Crocs, get out of the car, it's a lot easier than putting your shoes on. So we use that as a spare. Our walking shoes in this one. When we've been swimming, excuse me, we put our wet gear in here and it keeps everything separate and dry.
Yeah.
And
just a good little system, and it just makes life easier.
Easy, yeah. A lot easier.
Having limited space, everything's got to have its place.
All just fits in nice and neat.
Yeah.
So you exactly know where your rucksacks are. Them two water butts there. And even my Yorkshire Road boat has its little place now.
Yeah.
I have an old diver's belt at home. And I'm thinking about taking that off and putting on a diver's belt, so you can use both hands for swimming, so it's behind you all the time.
Yeah, it did wrap around you, didn't it?
Yeah, it wasn't very good, was it? It didn't sink.
No, it didn't sink.
It was very sturdy.
Just the string wrapped around your hand, didn't it, when you were
I
swimming?
think that's Sam at home about a diver's boat, we shouldn't get keen on it, but I do think that is the way forward, or have a go next time.
Yeah.
It needs just a few modifications, and And then we've even got this and all. This is our backup pump. It's a rechargeable one. It's a bit bigger than the last one. I think it's only cheap on Amazon. It's like 20 quid. In case out don't work.
Yeah. Let's have a backup in it, because
there's what beam off.
Yeah, it is. If you go, like I say, if you go down, it's tough. It's a bit hard sleeping on them wooden beds, isn't it? With no mattress.
Yeah, like you say, Amazon sent us a spare UL80, and now we've got a spare sleeping mat now.
Yeah.
We might try it tomorrow night. We know Joe underneath it.
Yeah.
And see which is comfier. So obviously it's got to be comfier, but it's another inch or two of air. But as you get older, you get more wussy.
Yeah, you need to be comfy, because if you wake up with a stiff back, or you're just aching from not being comfortable, it
puts off going.
Yeah, it does. There we are. I've got all the beds set up now. So I'm just going to settle down and watch some movies. Got movies set on there. Our toilet tent set up there. So yeah, that's it. So it's we'll bid you good night and see you tomorrow.
Yeah, good night.
There we are, we're all set up now. Just quickly show you inside. It's all set up.
What films did you download? Can you remember?
No, I can't. I think there's about 5 films to watch, but I can't remember what they were now.
Oh, in one night? Every morning?
Yeah. Some of them might be crap though, might they?
Yeah.
So I have to move on to the next one. And
that's true. Off
Amazon Prime, they're free downloads, so
bit ropey, aren't they?
yeah, some of them are a bit shit. But, so yeah, that's it now. Just peace and quiet and chill out for night. See you in the morning. Good night.
Good night. This is our toilet, and I'll show you a quick way to fold it up if I can remember. Drop it on the floor. Oops. We just got out first. I've had a good night's sleep, a bit stiff. Grab this end here, bottom end. Put it work right in it. Put it right in. Quick, just in it, so that's how we put our tent up, toilet tent up.
Nicely done, Stephen.
Easy peasy when it's easy.
When you know how. It's easy when you know how. It's not so easy when you don't.
Yeah.
Let's go somewhere. Good morning. Just having some breakfast now. Just gonna have some porridge and a cuppa. Got some nice views this morning. It's a nice sunny morning. It's quite warm as well, so next to change. It's nice to get some nice sunny days in Lake District, not raining. He's having his biscuits. So I'll just show you this area where we've been all night. Fantastic little spot this is. I'll put what 3 words on screen for you, and then if you're interested in coming to this area, make it a bit easier for you to find. It's quite a deep lay-by, to be fair, only enough for 1 vehicle. But you could get a van or a motorhome, small motorhome maybe in here. But look at the views. Beautiful. It's really quiet and peaceful as well. There's only been like a few cars coming this morning. There's not been many. There's just odd one that keeps passing by. yeah, I think what we're going to do next is head up to Wasdale area. I think there's a car park there. We're going to park there and see if we can go find some fairy pools at Wasdale. They're supposed to be really nice, so that's if we can find them. But yeah, we're just kind of like chilling out here this morning. I'm going to get my drone out now and see if I can work it. So we're just on the way up Burnthwaite Farm. Which way then?
There's a path outside the house. So I could go in it.
So yeah, we're just on the way up now to go find these little waterfalls with some little swim spots.
In the wind, it's pretty cold. Sorry, when you're in the wind, it's pretty cold, but out of the wind, it's red hot.
Yeah.
Looked at the voice maps this morning. It said there's some waterfalls up top of this hill. So we're following this wall past these two trees and trying to keep this gill on the right hand side. And we're hoping there's two sets of waterfalls, and we're hoping that one of them will be this one we want to swim in. But if not, it's solid, there's no else.
Yeah. So this is the first set of little cascades of water. That's nice. Steve must have found something because he's getting his phone out. Oh, that's nice actually, isn't it? That's a beautiful little dippy pool as well, isn't it? It's really deep.
Not really deep, but it's better, isn't it?
Yeah. I'll definitely swim in there.
You could stand up in it, couldn't you?
Yeah.
Swimming might be a bit of
But
pushing.
I could swim. Because I'm only little, short ass. So we'll get a little bit further. Oh, that's an even better one. Beautiful.
Where the trees are, the two trees or the one tree, you need to cross over the beck and follow up this way, it looks like. So you need to cross over where the trees are, anywhere around that area, and follow that one there, inside that mountain.
Off we go then.
There you go.
So this is the path that that we've found eventually. And it's no wonder they call it a hidden gem.
Yeah.
Believe me.
There's three streams, this is the middle one.
Yeah, that's the easiest way to...
Got three becks. Look at Addy's built, you're there.
Yeah, definitely. Addy's Don't know if you heard that, but yeah, look for hardest route. And it chuffing is and all. I suppose that's why they call them hidden gems.
We think you totally was, it's totally impossible, didn't you, right?
Jeez. Been terrible, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Ah. Not only that, there's tons and tons of ankle breakers. No, definitely won't take much rocking. Anyway, we'll keep going. So that's it. We found it eventually. It is quite nice actually. It's very clear.
Crystal clear.
But it was a tough old slog to get to it.
Very. Cool. Go. That way. It's rocking up.
Yeah.
What deep is it? Good view.
Yeah.
Look at ice. It's called Oh, thanks for it. Can't walk off, can't walk. Tempted there. Hold the ring. If you got my side, you'd throw it. If you got her.
I am trying to. He's thrown away now. Come here. So favourite capsizes, oh dear. Straight back up.
Yeah.
Little Yorkshire flag. Now you're just showing off.
I'm showing off. Oh, mate. I'm not saying it's unthinkable. I'm not saying that. I'm saying it is.
Call me Plucky.
Call me Plucky.
The Viking boat maker. Got a little thing now, little Viking thing. Oh, we've got our little Yorkshire flag, that'll do.
It's good then.
Yeah. Yeah. Got red skin. Good fun. That's it now. Dried, dressed, back to the car. What's our next move now? What? Do it again. Do it again. What's our next move after this? Dried, dressed, and what? No, yeah. Gonna go find another car camping spot, aren't we? A good one.
Are you cold?
I am a bit cold, yeah. Cheeky, cheeky.
Would you come again? Here?
Nice views anyway.
You come here, you?
Hey?
You come again?
Well, I don't know, I might be tempted to come here again now actually, when it's like, you know, a summer's day. I'm not coming here in winter.
No,
it's too far of a walk up, and like if you get injured on the way down, you hurt your ankle or all.
Well, it might be funny, I might it winter now.
Yeah, definitely, yeah.
Out of 10, would you rate it?
Ooh, out of 10? I don't know, it's pretty, there's nobody else here and it's...
What, a 7? 6?
Yeah, I'd say a 7 to be fair. You can't swim in it, fair dues. It's not a swimming spot, but it is definitely a dipping spot, isn't it?
Yeah.
If you want to fancy a cold water dip, whether it's what season it is, it'll be cold.
It looks nice and warm, it is.
Well, it might be a bit warmer on a hot day, do you think?
It's there, isn't it?
Yeah.
That was cool, that one. That was cool. That was cool to read, that one.
Yeah. Right, best get dried. I will just show you as well the shoes that we wear when we go swimming in the sea or wherever, our little swim spots. We always wear shoes, and these are the ones. They're called Job Discovery Series. They're fantastic. They've got like little holes inside.
And at bottom.
And at the bottom, yeah, in there. But they're really good. They protect your feet, and yeah, they're just a really good shoe.
Unlike trainers, trainers that don't drain water, they're just doing hot water out, not heavy.
Yeah. Yeah, they're good for draining hot water, aren't they? And they're quite non-slip as well, aren't they?
Yeah.
Seat sills at the bottom.
When they stand up boarding, they're very grippy.
Yeah, they are. Yeah, they're good. Yeah, they are good for paddle boarding. Yeah.
Paddle boarding, yeah.
Yeah.
They're very grippy.
Is that what we bought them for originally?
Yeah, originally paddle boarding, yeah.
Yeah, I thought it was.
But with everything I'll do it with kayaking, paddle boarding, swimming.
Yeah. Yeah.
Down to the pub.
No. Yeah, you wear yours down to the pub, don't you? Oh, you've had too much to drink.
Yeah.
So we managed to sneak in and get a little car parking spot for the night. We've just drove over. There is Hard Knot Pass up there, but there weren't many spaces left up there. There ain't many to start with, and what there was all full. So this is just, actually it's better here because it's not as windy. It was quite windy up there, so it's pretty sheltered. But yeah, this is alright. Nice little one here. It's tucked out at way. So yeah. So yeah, I'm quite happy with this one. Nice little stream running there in front of us. So tonight for tea we're having homemade pizzas. I'm going to try to make homemade pizzas.
Get your thing out. Your oh yeah, see it, yeah.
Yeah, I've got everything there. I've got mushrooms.
No, that paste.
Pepperoni. Yeah, tomato puree. Salami, cheese. So we'll see how this one goes. So I've just started by slicing some mushrooms up. Well. So there's me wrap, tortilla wrap, and then I've put tomato puree on it first, and then just on one half I've covered it in grated cheese, some salami and some pepperoni, and I'm going to put some mushrooms on top. Like that, and then I'm gonna, if you just want to hold that on me please.
I know.
Oh, just swallow that. I fold it in half like that and squash it together like that, so it's in half. And then I'm gonna put it inside the Ridge Monkey. Hold that please for me.
You put your cheese so it melts it on the bag.
Want to get some room?
Here you go. Oh.
Put that in there. Squash it down. Like that. Shut the lid and then wait 3 minutes. Yeah, you have to wait till it's on. Oh. So it's same again. 2 slices of salami. Some pepper on it. Oh, and some mushrooms. And fold it over.
Yours looks thicker than mine.
Hey?
Yours looks thicker.
What did you...
Just saying.
Well, it's not. They're all the same.
Look at my scales, I don't weigh them. Just saying, yours looks thicker. I think you made rations and put all yours.
I didn't. I'm not only have one. You've got loads.
Might redeem yourself then.
Squash it down. Cut the corners off. Yeah, you can harm the corner bits. Ouch. Ouch. And turn it right down, because if it's too high it'll just burn the outside and inside won't be all melted. There we go. Calzone pizza.
Look off in mine is and off at hers is. So I'm saying.
Oh God. It's the same. I'll do you a fat one next then. Okay, fat boy. Is it nice? Let's have a look inside. Ooh, oh, look at all that grease of it, pepperoni. Is it nice? Good pizza. Calzone. so we've demolished the calzone pizzas. Now time for some trifle. Good morning from Hotel Picasso. So it's a lovely morning. It's really warm and humid. We didn't do no videoing last night because after tea, when we went outside, there was loads and loads of midges about. So we decided to just quickly get the beds changed over and get settled down inside the car and watch a movie. Yeah, it was like mosquitoes, weren't there, and little. Must be because there's a stream there, so I presume it's.
It was crap Amazon films.
Yeah, my choice of downloaded Amazon films was poor this time, yeah. So never mind. You had to mention that, didn't you?
Oh, shocking that one.
It was that bad. They made us get to sleep early anyway, didn't they?
Well, that bad. I want to walk home from the car.
Yeah, I think we was asleep for like 10:15. But them Trekology sleeping mats are really, really comfy. That's one thing. The night before, Friday night, we had the Jockle sleeping mat and the Trekology, which it was really uncomfy because the Jockle kept slipping underneath the with it being underneath the Trekology one. It just kept moving about and it was horrible. It was really uncomfy. So last night, we just had the Trekology one, and it was a lot more comfier. Really comfy. Would you agree with that? Them Trekology mats.
Yeah, but Bobby knows.
Oh, sorry.
Hay fever coming on.
But yeah, I think. How you done?
Nope.
Yeah, I think.
Sound like I've got an elephant.
Would you agree there was comfy?
Yeah, very good. Yeah.
Yeah, a lot more comfier, weren't there, than them
Yeah.
others. Like I say, we pissed about having like 2 or 3 mats at a time in winter, and it took ages, didn't it, to blow up? But 20 seconds with that larger pump, them Trekology ones, job done. Really good. So we're getting sorted, little bit by bit. Every time we come, we're kind of like learning something new.
We've had them Trekologies about 2 years, maybe longer. We never used them, only in a couple of wild camps, and when you look at measurements, they're too long for a car. They shouldn't fit in car. When they're blown up, put it on a slight angle, these back rests on car seat, and they'll go in.
Yeah.
And even with them on there, it measures 185 centimetres, and they're I think 190. But it's still, they still go in.
Yeah, still fitting nice, don't they?
Yeah. I think they're slightly wider than all them Jockles. I can't remember exact measurements, but they're still squashy and they don't even budge, do they?
No. Trekology ones.
Yeah, Trekology ones, yeah, sorry, yeah.
The Jockle ones I always thought was comfy, but they're not very deep. But these Trekology ones, once they're blown up, aren't they? They're really deep.
Yeah. The Army ones, the Dutch Army ones, they've got an I rating, but they're still bulky.
Yeah.
They're wrong shape for a car, they just don't fit nowhere.
Yeah.
They had to give them to the roof box, they had to slide in it anywhere, where them ones just fall flat.
Yeah. Plus I was saying, like in winter, we shouldn't really need an R-rated one, because it's not as if we're sleeping on a cold floor, is it?
No, you got a thermostat underneath now, haven't we?
Yeah.
The last couple of times we took out a water bottle, which made it a lot warmer.
Yeah.
Now it's at 2, I'd have a water bottle, then a bulky
sleeping mat, yeah.
I think so.
Yeah, definitely. So, anyway, we're just going to have a bit of breakfast and, yeah. Kettle's on anyway.
Yeah, bacon, please.
Bacon sarnies and down for a cup of coffee. Oh yeah, see you in a bit. Morning bacon sandwiches. Nice views. Here we are. Bacon sarnies all ready for His Majesty.
Whatever.
Enjoy.
Enjoy. You bet yours. So left me with dry pita bread, she had nice fresh wraps.
Oh, I'll get mine. I've got a bit left.
You got to pick bacon.
In the pan, the bacon is all the same. I didn't like get to choose like the best pieces. They look all the same.
Whatever.
Oh dear. So that brings us to the end of this little adventure in the lakes of wild swimming and food and car camping and adventures.
Yeah.
So thank you very much for watching if you watched to the end, and hopefully you'll subscribe with us and stay with us for more adventures this summer. Thanks for watching.
Yep. Thanks, and see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.